Adore, your daughter stole what belongs to my daughter.
You said the little girl is your newfound friend.
Yes, Nna.
And you stole from her. What, Akudo? Hey, save it. I know what you're about to say. That you are sorry. Okay? Biko, little one, tell me what she stole from you so that I'll go in there and break it for you.
Do not scold her, for she's under a great force that makes her to do things she does not want to do. It is not ordinary, but the solution to our problems is very simple.
Oleda, I feel we should just get the wrapper and leave.
No, Father, I'm giving it to her. She should keep it. Besides, I told you we shouldn't come here, but insisted.
I am sorry for not listening to you.
Hey! Akudo if I get me.
You have gold, you have diamonds, you have everything, and you give it freely. You freely. Mogo. As a mogo, Newanya, woke milio kengene. Anya bialo kweni. Wa wono sele mujeve.
You are here.
Ham. Go chalata wero chuchu. Go chalata anechurechu. Cha waki na acha. Come over here. Nobody will dent you. Nobody will cover you. You must be purified. You must be purified. Soul, spirit, body. Nobody will cover you. Stretch your hands. Purify her hands. Purify her heart. Blessings of the gods that will follow you. You are purified. Your hands are purified. Your soul is purified. Your body is purified. Open your mouth and say it. Say it louder. Louder.
Ah, Adim. Beautiful daughter of mine. You are awake, finally. So how are you doing today?
Good morning, Father.
I bring you greetings from here. You look good. Is there a problem?
Father, the gods are happy with you today. I can see them bless you with a good catch. Go and check a trap before someone else take what belongs to you.
No, my daughter, I will forget about. Listen, this season is not dry enough. The traps do not catch much this season. I just set the trap there, just in case. I will shake the traps in 3 days' time.
No, Father, go now. As a matter of fact, I need lots of meat in my food today.
I don't understand.
Go now.
What is the problem? Why are you suddenly talking this way? Okay, I will go and shake. In the meantime, I will equally go and see my friend Okeke the hunter, who I am sure will have some meat that he is selling. I will buy some meat for you since you are craving for meat. Is that okay? Okay then. I will be back shortly.
Akudo! Akudo!
What are you doing there?
Nothing.
Nothing. What is in your hand?
Nothing.
Can I wear like or can I ask him nothing? What is in your hand?
Nothing.
Okay.
Just holding myself.
Remember what there's and why I said. So you have to go in and relax. So that she said you wear this clothes all through today. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
So no cooking, no fetching of water, no doing anything. Just go in right so that you will not stay in your clothes. Okay, Nania.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
go in. Come. They're good. Come back. What is in this hand? Why are you holding your hand like this? What is in this hand? The other one. How come? Who owns this? Where did you get it from?
I don't know how it entered my hand.
What do you mean by you don't know how it entered your hand? Kedonian will be there. Who owns it?
It's in 1 year's bead.
Anyị elutewokwani, nwanyị abịaluwo, kwata ya, n'anyị ahabialuwo. Hey! What we want is success, purity, purification. Purify her body and soul and spirit. Make her whole in everything. Na nwanya nọ n'etiti mmiri, na nwanya ịnanụkwa ọnụ m oyi.
Hey! Akudo! Akudo, you will not kill me. Imam Bukwam, I did not kill my parents. I called someone to...
Sorry.
Hey, shut up! Shut up, sister! You are sorry about what? I called someone to heal you, and you turn around and stole from her. You stole from Des and Wine. Why am I this girl? What is it now? What have I done to you?
I'm sorry.
Akudo, why am Maggie? You want to kill me? After the rituals, Des and Wine was looking for something, but she chose to ignore it. You stole from her. You stole from Des and Wine.
I'm sorry.
Hey! One more word of I'm sorry from your mouth. You said about what? For stealing her bid. You couldn't have one on Capiconu. Akudo. Hey. Hey. Get out of my sight. Get out! Hey! How do I go about this? How do I return it? Get even Maguia. Even maybe they do. Akudo. Ah. How do I return this? What do I tell her? Masano can get. Hey! Go Onyala. Imam go na ntamu. Ay ntamu ile egbulile n'iku. O ga na ntamu onye oribo. Hey!
The gods are wise indeed.
Father, I told you. Those are so big.
You have seen them, right?
Yes.
Just like you predicted, the gods actually answered. Very, very big animals that we managed to catch today. And like you wanted to eat best of meat.
Yes.
Don't worry, you're going to eat best of meat today.
We are going to eat together.
Yes, of course.
Greetings, Ichie Ejiofor.
Beautiful daughter of the land. To what do I owe this visit?
How are you doing, Oledo? Well, Ichie, I came to help out with house chores. But from the smiles on your faces, I can sense that your trap must have caught a very big mate.
You are right. The traps actually caught something so big.
Yes,
I
very,
am-
very big.
Yes, I'm just discussing with I was actually relaxing here just to regain my energy before I go into the kitchen with my daughter to prepare something nice that we are going to eat.
No, you don't have to worry, Ichie. Not while I am here. I would go to the kitchen and Oledo and I will go to the kitchen and prepare something for you. You just take your rest.
Hold on, just hold on. Hold on, come. She's offering to go into our kitchen and prepare something for us. Should I say yes or should I just ask her to get out?
It's okay, Father. If us to help, let us stay. I'll join you in the kitchen.
Okay. My daughter says you can join her in the kitchen. Go ahead. Okay. Go with her then. I need a lot of pepper in the one I'm going to eat.
It's fine,
Obim, how are you?
Okay.
So tell me, when are we going to see our parents for our introduction?
I think next week.
Okay, that'll be like.
Bianwa. Mane where fele? Nay, who is your mother? Eh? Oya bu nay. Eh? What are you doing under this tree in Amboachia? We are supposed to be in your mother's house, pounding out or cooking soup for her. You know that again. Okay, na susugali na migali, na susugali on no pulo osisi. You are shameless, oh. In Apwala, if you as azu.
No.
Welcome. Nebe.
Who is talking? Oh, you. You're talking about home training, right?
No.
Oh, I see. You trained your daughter, right? Did you train your own daughter? Did you train your own daughter about home training? No, Nyori.
You say?
You had me right. Leave me, please. No, come and stand and ask me as a farmer. I believe me.
Life is good. Life is so good. Oh, beautiful daughter of the land. Thank you so much for coming to help us with this. And this one you're rushing to leave. I don't understand. You don't want to eat with us?
Well, Ichie, I already packed mine to take home. My mother sent me on an errand, so I need to quickly go and attend to it.
I can understand. It's okay. One more time, thank you for coming.
I'll see you later, Olido.
Okay then.
I'll come back soon.
It's okay. It's okay. You see what? You said you wanted to eat plenty of meat.
Yes.
And plenty of meat is what you are going to eat today. Give me that. Go and bring water for us to wash our hands.
Okay, Father.
Where is this girl? Akudo! Where is she? Akudo!
What is going on?
No, where's Akudo? Where is Akudo? Go in there and bring Akudo out now.
What has she done? Your daughter is a thief!
Yes. Hey. I've been hearing this rumor that your daughter is a thief. I never believed it until I saw with my own eyes. She came to the market claiming to buy beads from me. She asked me to bring the types of beads I have. I brought everything out. Only for her to leave, I started looking for my bead. The same bead she claimed not to like. She stole from me. Bring her out, Nne. Bring her out. Now. I feel like tearing her apart. Thief.
Look at this word in Afia. Eh?
Thief.
Akudo. Where is it? Where is it?
Hey! Nne, you see? You see, I told you. Nne, if you don't want me to shout, if you don't want me to disgrace this girl, just give me my money, my complete money.
I'll pay. I'll pay. How much? I'll pay.
Just 20 calories.
Wait, you are saying that we are shouting. I've not even started because if I shout, if I open my mouth, just give us our money.
Yeah, 20 calories, oh.
Yes, so
Look at her.
No problem, what a big. You have beats in this house. I'll pay for the beats. Yes. I'll pay.
Pay.
20 calories.
Because 15 calories.
15 calories? I say my money is 20 calories.
Because
now shout oh!
No, shout oh now, no, because
it's because of you. But wait, let me count it.
Hey. Hey!
9, 10, 11, 12, 13,
Hey!
14. Just 15 calories. No, come again. No, that would have created my complete 20 calories.
See your life. You're making your mother kneel down for a girl good enough to be her daughter. Shame on you.
Shame. Thief. Oh, shame. Let's go. Type for.
Thief.
Type for nothing.
Hey!
If you leave him,
Mama. If you leave him,
I'm sorry.
if you leave him,
I'm sorry.
I won't work in guitar.
I'm sorry. Everything's nice.
Why will a beautiful maiden like you be a thief? What? The cloth you just took from there does not belong to you. Why will you steal something that doesn't belong to you?
Greetings, beautiful maidens of our land.
Greetings.
Greetings.
Thank you so much. How are you doing today, my love?
I have told you time and time again to stop referring to me as your love. I am not your love.
It's okay. I am sorry for that. With time, you will find love in me. So where are you going?
We are heading to the stream.
Do you mind if I come with you? Please.
How can you say you want to go with us to the stream? Please go your way. Neka, Kaipo.
Okay. Ochiawoto is richer than your stubbornness.
Greetings, Ichie.
Greetings, Ichie.
Greetings, beautiful daughters of the land. Where are you headed?
We are heading to the market.
Oh, to the market.
Yes, Ichie.
We're just coming back from the same market.
Oh, beautiful.
Beautiful. I think I have to do something. Okay. For both of you.
Thank you, Ichie.
Let it be the blessing you have for meeting me along the road.
Oh, thank you so much. We are grateful. Thank you. This is huge.
Give me my own.
Leave this, Biko. Leave it. We'll share it later. Wow.
That man is always going everywhere with his daughter.
Well, where else will he go everywhere with if not his daughter? Wait, those men we saw on our way carrying those loads, I think is what they bought from the market.
You're right. Those men do not look like men from this village.
Yeah. That man is very rich and well respected in this community. He has all the money at his disposal to employ whomever he wants to employ. All that is missing is a wife.
Please let us go. That man is not ready to remarry. He loves his late wife so much that he transferred all the love he has for her to the daughter. So bad when people you love leave you unannounced.
Whatever. He has to move on. Life has to move on. That he lost his wife during childbirth does not mean he has to end there or everyone else will experience the same thing. Please, let's go.
Father, those are both two friends that have no love for each other. They're both green snakes under green grass.
Sometimes, beautiful daughter of mine, I don't understand your word. You see those maidens, their life is not of concern to us. Let them face their fate. We should face our business.
Okay, Father.
Good. Let us go and meet up with the men that are carrying our load. Before they meet their way.
You mean you are still walking in this village freely? You should be ashamed of yourself.
Do you know what will happen to you if I tell everyone that you are a thief?
Hey, no, now, please. Why are you people embarrassing me, eh? My mother paid for these beads now.
You should be ashamed of yourself. I can see you are going to the market. I hope you're not going to go there and steal everything they sell in the market.
Please, I'm sorry.
Make her give her now.
I'm sorry.
Make her give her. Just give her. Just give her. You go. I'm sorry. Hey, make her want one G. I'm lying. See, I open here.
There is something you need to understand, my dear. I am a man of honor. I am not an ingrate and I'm not going to sound like one. You have been working all day. Since morning you have been working. There is practically nothing you have not done, from cleaning to sweeping. Are you not tired?
Ichie, I can't be tired of doing house chores. I love doing house chores.
But listen, it is not in my nature to ask anybody to stop anything. I always want them to be the ones to stop on their own. I need you to understand something. I hate to see women stressing themselves. I don't like it. That is why I want you to stop. Stop all these things. I have maidens that I pay from other kingdoms who come to do all these things. They come to do all these things. And now, because you have done practically everything, when they come tomorrow, they will not even have anything they will do again.
But Ichie, how can you be paying people to come do these small chores? I can come and do these things for you.
Please, I need you to... I just need you to stop. Like I said, I don't like to see women struggling, stressing themselves. Please, I want you to stop. And I want you to be the one who will stop. In the meantime, if you need anything at all that you need, don't hesitate to tell me about it. And trust me, I am going to handle it for you. My daughter has not been feeling okay. Even up till now, she has not woken up. I want to check up on her.
I think I heard something. Did he just say something about if I need anything, I should not hesitate to ask him? And he also don't want me to be stressing myself. Is this a sign that he has started falling for me? I can't wait for this to happen. I can't wait.
You know you don't have to do this. My father paid people to do this.
It's not a problem. I love fetching firewood. It's fine, really.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm fine.
You look tired. You should go and rest.
Tired? I am not tired. I'm fine. I consider you a family friend. And it's not a big deal fetching firewood. Family friends do this.
Why are you so bent in impressing my father? Are you sure you're just coming to help us, or you have a goal to achieve?
There is no goal to achieve. I'm just doing this. I love what I'm doing. I'm just doing it because we're family friends. Or don't you want a stepmother?
Yes. I want a stepmother. But a woman who wants it.
What is even wrong with this little girl? I have always known that she's a witch. What is she even talking about? Does she even know? Does she even understand most things she's saying? Anyways, once my plans work out, I will put her in her place. Why am I even taking this firewood to them? I don't even know what these things I'm doing. I think I should take the firewood back to my house, because
Greetings, Ichie.
Greetings to the daughter of the soil. To what do I owe this visit of yours?
Ichie, I just came to greet you and know if I can do anything for you.
Do you work for people to be paid? As in, are you a maid?
Not at all, Ichie. We all know you stay here alone with your daughter. There are some chores she can't do by herself. You are a well-respected man in our community, and you should be treated like a king.
I am amazed with your kind words towards me, and I appreciate. You see, I have maids that I pay. Maids that I pay to come and work for me. They actually come from the other kingdoms to come and work here to be paid. The problem though is that most times when they come, they do nothing because other maids of my land have come to do all the works.
It's okay. I will come back another time.
It's okay. Thank you very much for the consideration. I appreciate. Hello? Hello?
Drumbeat, drumbeat of love. Drumbeat, drumbeat of love. Drumbeat, drumbeat of love. Drumbeat, drumbeat of love. In the quiet of the night, I hear your.
What is it?
I'm Adabeke. Huh? Why are you looking so angry? Adim Nobi. For how long do you want me to continue singing to you that I love you so much? I want to marry you and make you my beautiful wife.
For how long do you want me to continue telling you that I don't want you? I am not interested in you, and I don't want to be your wife. Leave me alone now.
For what now? No, you need to explain to Ichie Ejiofor why you don't love me. Look, I am one of the richest men in this kingdom. I have the largest farm land. I have the largest yam barn. I have plenty things. I am even planning to start dealing on gold. Look, I am going to invest the kind of money I will put in you. Even the queen of this kingdom will be jealous of you.
Ichie Ejiofor or whatever your name is.
Excuse me, please. If you want to call that name, add some respect. Ichie Ejiofor, Nwoko Jiye. Ejimiye.
Whatever the name is. Look, I am not interested. First off, I don't owe you any explanations. I don't care about your source of wealth. I don't care. I am not interested. And let me tell you, stop following me everywhere, blocking me up and down like a loose he-goat.
Huh?
Stop it!
Why?
He-goat.
Come.
No.
Yeah. Why am I sorry? Why Ocha? Wait. Did she just called me a loose he-goat? Ichie Ejiofor onye jiye. Ofu nwa amuru gbegbe. A he-goat. Mba.
Ichie, I am sorry. I don't know how to face you. That's why I haven't come here since.
Honestly, I don't understand what you are talking about. Why are you sorry?
The other day at the stream, you covered up for me. If you were some people, they would have told the whole world that they found a thief.
Hey. And by you coming here boldly to thank me, should I understand that to mean you are proud of yourself?
No, Ichie.
No, if you are not proud of yourself, you should be out there looking for a solution to your problem and not moving around thanking people. A maiden like you should not be stealing. A beautiful maiden than that.
Ichie, I'm trying to stop.
No, you are not trying enough. I feel you should try more. Stop taking what belongs to people. That is not in line with our tradition. People should not take what is not theirs. You should know that.
Tell me where to go. Tell me what to do. Tell me where to go.
Is that how you talk to your elders? Are you calling me a thief?
I see forces around you. I know it is not your intent to be stealing, but I like you. I want to be your friend.
You want to be my friend? You want to be my friend?
Yes.
Do you know that if not for the problem I have, I should have gotten married when my mates were getting married and I would have had a daughter your age?
If you don't have a daughter my age, you can also have a friend my age. Think about it. Stay out of trouble.
Tell me where to go. Tell me what to do.
Is this girl really a child or an adult? She possesses qualities that even most adults do not have.
Tell me where to go. Tell me what to do. Chimo, wanomi
Greetings, Ichie.
Beautiful maiden of my land. To what do I owe this visit?
Ichie, I decided to bring this special abacha, specially made from my grandmother, Esin.
Listen, abacha is not one of the foods I like to eat. If I should collect this food from you now, it is going to be a waste because I'm not going to eat it. Because I don't like abacha. It is better you take it.
Ichie, this is specially made for you. Just have a taste of it. You might change your mindset of how you see abacha.
You know, I am actually very curious as to why something will be made specially for me. I don't understand. Did I ask for it? Or is there any occasion that is going on? Why should anybody make anything special for me? Please take it. Take it back. I don't need it.
All right.
Why are the young women of nowadays, why are they so desperate? Why? I think I am beginning to have an understanding as to the reason they are always coming here, claiming they are coming to help. My house is not the only house that needs help.
Do not worry, Father. A worthy woman will come soon and take care of both of us.
My daughter, come here. Come. See, I don't need any woman to come between us. I pray to the gods every day to give me long life and good health. For me to continue raising you to that woman who I am going to become very proud of in the future. You don't know how wealthy your father is. I have a lot of plantations, a lot of fish ponds. I have so many businesses that are bringing money. I want you to concentrate and become that woman who will be in charge of your father's wealth. We don't need any outsider. Okay?
Father, that is your will. The gods' will are different and they favor us. Remember, the ways of the gods is not the ways of man.
So that was how the man was sent out of the land for committing an abomination.
I don't pity the man at all. He was too wicked.
Shabuto.
Ichie Ejiofor.
Shabuto, my very good friend.
Ichie.
You decided to come and see me today.
Yes.
You may be seated.
Thank you. I have been busy this period.
Okay.
You know, I'm also dealing on cocoa business. And this season is cocoa season.
That's interesting. I also have a cocoa plantation. Yes, very large one. And I have boys who are working for me in that plantation. They are the ones in charge of everything.
Nam, I'll be inside.
It's okay. It's okay, my dear. It's okay. So I have boys who are working for me in the business, and they are doing wonderfully well.
Wow,
In that very business, they are doing wonderfully well.
that is wonderful. Ichie Ejiofor, you know we are looking up to you.
It's all right. It's all right. You see, the mere fact that you came visiting me today means that something will happen.
Yes.
Definitely.
Yes.
So what I'm going to do, I hope you have all the time today.
Yes.
What I'm going to do is to send words to the palm wine tapper
Okay.
so that they can get us the best of wine and we can drink until the end of today. I hope you're okay with that.
I am okay. Thank you so much.
Tell me where to go. Tell me what to do.
What are you doing here?
I came to see my newfound friend. Or am I not welcome here?
No, you're welcome. You can sit. But I thought you said you don't want to be my friend.
I want to be your friend. I want to be your...
And what are you doing here?
Greetings, Ichie.
Father, she's my newfound friend.
I am not aware of that. But now that my daughter has confirmed that you are her friend, you are welcome.
Thank you, Ichie. Thank you.
Tell me where to go. Tell me what to do. Tell me where to go. Aquarire muemo. Tell me where to go. Tell me what to do. Chimo, wanumi emgeme. Tell me where to go. Tell me what to do. Tell me where to go. Aquarire muemo. Tell me where to go. Tell me what to do. Chimo, wanumi emgeme. Chimo, wanumi emgeme. Chimo, wanume bengebido. Chimo, warire muemo. Chimo, wanumi emgeme. Tell me where to go. Tell me what to do. Tell me where to go. Aquarire muemo. Tell me where to go. Tell me what to do. Chimo, wanumi emgeme. Tell me where to go. Tell me what to do. Tell me where to go. Aquarire muemo. Tell me where to go. Tell me what to
Hey, look who we have here.
What? What's the meaning of this?
Did you just spit on us?
I don't understand. I do not care whatever it is that both of you have on me. This nonsense embarrassment has to stop.
Wait, you now have guts to talk. You have grown, I can see. Well, you will no longer go to the market in this community freely. Not while Amaka and Neka exist.
As what?
Don't try anything for me.
Are you talking to us like that? Eh? Are you
What did I do? Did I do anything to you people?
You did
People have started.
You did
What did I do to you now?
Will you stop that nonsense? What is going on there? What is it?
And who is this one? Who made you the judge here? Look, if you came here to do something, do it and get out.
You are very lucky. Like both of you are very lucky that he stepped in here. If not, I would have fed the two of you with
It
sand.
is not late.
Stop that nonsense.
It is not late.
Stop that. I don't like this.
that
Hey, no, I don't like this
If you
fight.
touch me
I don't like
again,
this.
if you touch me again,
You will do what? You can still come and do it. Come and pick your sand.
Stop, hey, stop. Will you stop? Stop.
if you are a woman, touch this thing again.
Hey.
I touch it. Let me show you what I am made up of.
What is
No, come here. Let me show you what I'm made up of.
I touched it.
What is happening here now?
Look at Akudo.
It's okay. Don't.
Drumbeats, drumbeats of love. Drumbeats, drumbeats of love. Drumbeats, drumbeats of love.
Father, I hope you like the food.
I like this so much. And you are confirming to me that you made that?
Not really. My best friend helped me.
You mean Akudo?
Yes. She taught me a whole lot yesterday.
Because I noticed the excitement that was on your face while we were eating. I've never seen that kind of excitement before in you. I want to believe this your newfound friendship is actually worth it.
Yes, I'm so excited because I know I'm going to learn a whole lot more.
Interesting. You see, when next she comes, I want you to let her know that I have a gift for her. For teaching you a whole lot of things you don't even know before.
Okay, now.
What now?
You cannot see my father. He wishes not to see anyone.
But why? I am a friend of the family. Okay, if your father wishes not to see anyone, I would wait until he's ready to see someone. Moreover, I'm worried. Are you sure your father is fine?
My father is okay. There's nothing wrong with him. Besides, what are you doing here? Is this your father's house? Go to your father's house. Leave now.
Come on, Oliver.
Leave!
Why are you talking to me in that manner?
I said leave.
Okay, it's fine. I will come back and I will see him. Nneka. What are you doing here?
What are you doing here? Is this your house?
Oh, really? Okay, leave. Nneka, go. Sebapo.
Leave me alone!
Sebapo.
Leave me alone!
Nneka, Sebapo. Sebapo.
Two fools that call themselves friends.
What is it?
So, all this your walk around that you keep going that direction, so it was to go after my man.
Well, you never mentioned you have your eyes on him.
Really? Now let me tell you. Ichie Ejiofor is the reason, the only reason I rejected all suitors that came for my hand in marriage. So Nneka, respect yourself and stay away from my man.
And who are you to tell me how to live my life? For your information, there are other maidens going there as well.
Nneka, are you talking to me like that? I'm asking you, Nneka.
And who are you? I will talk to you in whatever manner I want.
Really? Really? Who is that one? I need to finish this girl.
Will you stop that? Come on.
Betrayer.
What is it?
Betray your jaw. Betray your jaw.
What is going on here?
Your fellow woman.
What is it? Yeah. Hey. What is it?
Hold her. Just hold her. Come
Wait.
here.
Is it that fighting is now your hobby or what?
Can you imagine this? This loose, stupid betrayer of a friend. You know she's going after my man. My Ichie Ejiofor.
Don't mind her, oh. She's shamelessly throwing herself at Ichie Ejiofor. We all have our eyes on him and going there to try our luck. I'm not the only maiden. Other maidens do.
Are you being like they say me Ichie Ejiofor?
Nneka, you will hear from me.
You cannot do
You will hear from me.
You cannot do anything.
Can both of you
You cannot do anything.
What's the meaning of this
You
rubbish
cannot do
now?
anything. You cannot do anything.
Nneka, whatever. Hold her. You.
Inua wontagi kajimwano. Try me.
What's the meaning of this?
Can
Can both of you stop this nonsense? What's the meaning of this rubbish now?
Come back for you.
Shameless girl. You're dragging your fellow woman's hair. Shameless
And I will
girl.
drag it more if you come close to me.
Don't try me,
You don't try me, oh.
Nneka.
Dead
Hold her, Nneka.
It's okay.
Man snatcher. You want to snatch my man?
What is going on here now?
I know.
Wait. If I may ask, can you please tell me why you are throwing yourself at that old man?
What kind of stupid question is that?
Eh?
Are you blind? Don't you know that man is a very respected man in this community? Very wealthy, and yet he has no wife. The only thing lacking in his life is a woman. Despite the fact he's an Ichie and holds many titles in this village. He's agile, not that old. Even the king respects him, and you know that too.
Wow. Come, let me clap him for you. Hey! What is the meaning of this? Imagine. Even Amaka Nwanyocha, a beautiful maiden, I have been trying my best to make her my wife, is running after another man. Not just another man, an old man who is old enough to be her father. Wait, Ochiabuto. Odogu Jife. Is it that I am as ugly as vulture or what? Wow. Ichie Ejiofor must say about this. Eh? Do I look like a vulture?
So, my daughter, tell me, what do you make of the incident?
Father, I think you're too nice to the wrong people. I'm never going to allow anyone to come here again. Either my friend or the workers. They are evil people with evil intentions. They are not worthy daughters of our land.
I understand where that is coming from. But I need you to understand your father is a man who has seen it all. I understand exactly what is going on. Don't bother. I will handle it.
Thank you, Father.
So how is your friend? I have not seen her today. Is she not coming?
I'm still expecting her today.
Good. Okay then. Thank you very much.
Ichie Ejiofor, that is the story. These maidens, we are fighting seriously over you. I think you should be very, very careful about such maidens.
Oshaboto, the issue is that I've been so lenient. I've been so kind to practically everybody, and these maidens misunderstood that. And that's why they were doing all the nonsense they were doing. But I have already stopped them, that nobody should come to my compound again.
That is a very nice decision. This same maiden is the one I have pleaded severally to marry me. Yet, she refused.
But there is no maiden in her right senses that will reject marriage proposal from an eligible young man like you. It's not possible. That means she has no sense.
Ichie Ejiofor, that one no longer matters. The most important thing here now is that I have found another one. And that is why I am here to break the good news. And it will be an honor for you to accompany me to go see her people.
You know, we have this saying in our land that a child who has mastered the art of washing his hands properly stands the chance of wining and dining with the mighty. You are that young man of our kingdom who has mastered that art of washing his hands properly, and that is the reason I feel so free with you. And that is the reason I accept to always sit down and discuss with you. You understand? On that note alone, your request is not just accepted. I am going to accompany you to go and see your in-laws. Anytime you decide, I will go with you.
Thank you so much, Ichie Ejiofor. And I sincerely appreciate for always believing in me.
And one thing I need you to note is that the only money you will be required to spend is the money you will use in paying the bride price on the head of the woman you want to make your wife. Every other expenses in that your marriage, I will take care of it.
Ichie Ejiofor.
Drumbeat, drumbeat of love. Drumbeat, drumbeat of love. Drumbeat, drumbeat of love. Drumbeat, drumbeat of love. In the quiet of the night.
I'm very sorry. I'm sorry. You should know that I love you. That's why I keep coming to your house to help with the house chores.
Listen, I just saw the young man up. The same one you rejected. The same one who brought information on how you and your supposed best friend have been disgracing yourselves. Listen, I was never interested in any maiden. I was just being kind. Now that you have misunderstood it and you have realized I'm not interested in anybody, can both of you at least get a life?
Ichie, I know you're very upset right now. I am very sorry. Please, let me come and see you in the house.
I don't want to see you in my compound, and I don't want to see any maiden for that matter in my compound. If you disobey this instruction and show your face, the way I am going to handle it, you will not like it.
Ichie, please don't do this. Ichie, please. Ichie.
Drumbeat, drumbeat of love. Drumbeat, drumbeat of love. Drumbeat, drumbeat of love.
You see what this stupid girl has done? I was already this close to this man. If ain't Neka. What I would do to Neka?
A rhythm that whispers to me. With every breath we take, our souls entwines, dancing in the moonlight. No matter who
I tried.
no matter what you do, you see things everywhere you go.
Ichie, good day.
Good afternoon, Father.
Yeah, I can see you're having a wonderful time with your best friend.
Yes. Father, you look so tired.
Yes, I've been walking all the way back from Igidogo. I'm actually very tired and my legs hot.
Sorry.
Ichie, I can help you massage it. It will help you feel relieved. I will use shea butter to do it.
No, don't bother yourself. I don't want to stress you.
No, I'm not complaining. I'll massage it. Go and bring shea butter.
Okay.
Ichie, I can massage it for you, sir.
A rhythm that whispers to me. We eat every breath we take, our souls entwines, dancing in the moonlight. No matter who you are, no matter what you do.
Hey! And here I am, coming to plead with him. This thief. Wait, of all the maidens in this community, Akudo. Che. This girl has touched me. This girl has done this one. I will teach her a lesson. I will deal with this girl.
I know you are the one for me. Drum beats of love. Drum beats of love. Through the stormy sky and endless sky, my heart.
What is the meaning of this?
What are you doing with my man, Ichie Ejiofor?
Please leave my way.
I will go nowhere until you tell me what stunt you're trying to pull. Wait, does he even know that you're a thief? Look, Akudo, I want you to leave him alone if you don't want me to cut off your head.
Well, I am very close to him. Why don't you go get a knife and cut off my head? Listen, I have respected you enough in this kingdom, and it is very obvious that you are not worth my respect. Let this be the very last time that you would try this nonsense. I don't owe you any explanation as to how I live my life. Do you understand? Shift, let me pass.
Wait, oh. You've grown so much muscle to talk back at me, Akudo. Okay, we will see who wins this battle in this village. I don't know why some people will not mind their business.
And I don't know why some people are so cheap. Yes. The last time I met you, you were busy fighting with your friend.
And is that supposed to be your business? I don't know why you claim to be so busy, yet you poke nose, chon into other people's affairs. Look, I'd rather fight dirty on the road. I'd rather fight shamelessly on the road than marry a worthless egoat like you. Moreover, I am fighting over a man who is 100 times something that you will never be.
And you think he's the best for you?
Oh yes, he is the best. And look, the next time you attempt to stop me on the road, okay, yeah, Megan, I will so embarrass you that you want to cover your face in shame. Dirty egoat.
You will embarrass me? You will embarrass Ochiabu Tawogeji. I wish you the best.
Thank you very much, my lovely wife.
You're welcome, my husband.
Thank you, mother.
You know I love you, right? My best friend.
It is time for us to eat. What is the meaning of this? Why must I always see this maiden each time I close my eyes? What is going on? I mean, what is the meaning of this?
When the God says it's right, no man can say no. Just like when the gods bless, no one can curse.
What are you talking about, my daughter?
Father, my friend is not here, so I want to go to the stream. Please, can you come with me?
No. Nobody goes to the stream by this time. It is either you go to the stream in the morning or you go later in the evening, but not at night. And not at this time that the sun is in the center of the sky. Nobody should go to the stream by this time. They didn't watch. Bah.
Okay, Father.
Welcome home, my husband.
My beautiful wife. How are you doing and the baby?
We are fine. We came back quite early.
I actually went to get you this. It's for you.
My husband, these wrappers are so beautiful.
That is because I want you to glow during this moment of your pregnancy. I want you to be happy and I want you to be shining. Listen, if you need anything at all, do not hesitate to tell me about it and it will be provided.
Thank you so much, my husband.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Drumbeat, drumbeat of love. Drumbeat, drumbeat of love. Drumbeat, drumbeat of love. Drumbeat, drumbeat of love. In the quiet of the night, I hear your heartbeat. A rhythm that whispers to me. With every breath we take, our souls entwines, dancing in the moonlight. No matter who you are, no matter what you do, you still things everywhere you go. You have ended up still in my heart. Baby, drumbeat of love. I'll be one. Drumbeat of love. My heart beats for you. Drumbeat of love. I know you are.
Father, I can't find one of the new wrappers you bought for me.
Have you searched for it very well?
Yes, as a matter of fact, I know who stole it.
You mean somebody came into this compound and stole something from you? Who is the person?
My new friend. I brought them out to show her. I didn't know that she picked out one of them.
What is wrong with this girl? I thought she has become a changed person. Why will she go around stealing things that don't belong to her? You know what? Get me one of my caps. We are going there now.
No, Fred, I don't want to go to her house and embarrass her.
I said, get me one of my caps that we are going there.
Ichie Ejiofor, I am surprised to see you in my compound today.
Adore, your daughter stole what belongs to my daughter.
Akudo. 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 said the little girl is your newfound friend.
Yes, no.
And you stole from her. Why, Akudo? Hey, save it. I know what you're about to say. That you are sorry. Okay? Biko, little one. Tell me what she stole from you so that I'll go in there and break it for you.
Do not scold her, for she's under a great force that makes her to do things she does not want to do. It is not ordinary, but the solution to our problems is very simple.
Oleda, I feel we should just get the wrapper and leave.
No, Father, I'm giving it to her. She should keep it. Besides, I told you we shouldn't come here, but insisted.
I am sorry for not listening to you. The point is that I was very angry. Angry because I warned her several times and she wouldn't listen. I'm just praying that the gods will guide us right.
Hey! Akudo! Let me sing for you. Kangwali gonna go lundi ori. Pota! Na go na agbu ya. Inani ya? Onyori o aga-egbu onyori egbu o. Onyori o aga-egbu onyori. Hey! Akudo if I get me, I am so ashamed of you. Stealing is not the problem, but who you stole from, that is to get. Obelenwa, that I said is your friend. You have the guts to steal from her. You are shameless. If I again, Akudo, I am so disappointed and ashamed of you. With that little girl swapper enter you, what are you going to do with it? Just for stealing's sake. Hey! Setofia! Bapocho! Aya! Bapocho! Bapio for my Bapocho! Again! Hey!
I am not happy. I am about to lose a friend because of her bad habits. The gods of our land, please provide me with a good solution to our problems. I want her to be healed. I want her to redeem her dent image and live happily like others.
See, disgracing yourself before that family, Abron Subumo. The issue here is that the little girl said that the solution to your problem is simple. How?
I don't know. I don't know. I just feel like killing myself right now.
May the gods forbid. Killing yourself, Kerapum. No, now. No. I think we should go to Ichie's house and see that little girl. She speaks like a siak. I know no miluke. I male if I game. You know go. Stop crying. Oh, stop crying. You know go. Ne. It's okay. Ozugo no. We should go to their house. Oh. Akudo. It's okay. Bonne. It's okay. Oh. Ozugo. Ozugo no.
Ochim. Welcome. I know there might never be us again. But I just want to apologize for all my wrongdoings towards you. Please find it in your heart to forgive me. Biko ba aluzemo.
Amaka, among all the beautiful maidens in this kingdom, you are one of the best. I respected a lot. But I see you don't deserve my respect.
Sure. I am truly sorry for everything. Biko, I'm sorry, Baalum. I took your love for granted.
You lost it completely. I believe by now you must have heard that Ichie Ejiofor Nwoko Nwenife is now a married man.
Hey.
Yes. My beautiful wife is from my maternal home. If not for my busy schedule regarding my gold business I told you about, I would love her to come with me. But I prefer my Odeziako. Oriakom, Omanicha Nwunyem. I prefer her to sit back and eat my money.
So, the rumor is true?
Yes. 100% true. Am I hiding anything from you? I am a married man. Like I said, she's from my maternal home. I approached her. I told her I love you so much. I want to marry you and make you my wife. She accepted. There is no need of me wasting time. Ichie Ejiofor is a man with so much cowardice. I went and paid her back. She is now in my house. So, I think you should look for someone else.
Sure.
Okay? I am no longer available. In that case, I am going to the next kingdom to meet with my business partner. Take good care of yourself if you want. One more thing, when you get home, tell your parents that you met Ichie Ejiofor Odogwu Nwenife.
What have I done to myself? I shot myself at the back. It is true that you never know what you have until you lose it. This guy was in love with me. I would have grabbed this opportunity. I lost him. And I even lost the opportunity with Ichie Ejiofor. What was I even thinking? Now no one will ever marry me in this village. None of these youths are as wealthy as Ichie Ejiofor. He's so rich. He's well-to-do.
Ichie, I have come to know the solution to my daughter's problem. My daughter said the solution to her problem is a simple one.
Oledo. Oledo.
Yes, Father.
Come and sit down. I am sure you know this woman. She has come because she believes you have a solution to her daughter's problem. And you mentioned that solution before. She has come to hear that in details. Can you even tell her what the problem is?
So many years ago, your daughter took a bit from the stream of Odaluku. She thought she was so lucky to have found such a beautiful bead. Unknown to her, a woman came looking for the bead and found nothing. Out of anger and pain, the woman laid a curse on the one who took the bead. Your daughter was the one who took the bead. The goddess of Odaluku heard her cry and granted her wish. That is the reason why your daughter has been stealing.
I remember. I remember she started this immediately I lost her father. Until this age, she has not stopped stealing. And it has prevented her from getting married. Most of her age mates are married. But this bad habit of hers has prevented her from getting married. Hey!
Oledo, what is the solution to the problem?
Get fruits. Beautiful fruits. Put it in a calabash. Add honey and cowries. Beads. Let her take it to the stream of Odaluko. Let her beg the goddess of Odaluko to grant her new life.
Hey. Ngamdalo. Thank you very much.
And she'll be free.
Okay. Thank you, Ngam. Thank you. I will do that immediately. Ichie, Dalo rinne.
Listen, Oledo. Go with her. So that she can take a note of all these things you listed. I don't want any mistake. Follow her. Go so that everything can be listed properly.
Okay, Father.
Ichie, Dalo.
I thank the gods. I thank the gods for finally giving me a daughter who is this powerful.
Akudo! Akudo!
Nne, you called.
Go and get ready. We are going to the market.
Nne, have you forgotten? Today is not our market day.
We are going to the next village. We have to get all the sacrificial items. I don't want to waste time.
But Nne, what if we wait till the day after tomorrow, which is our own market day?
You are wasting my time. Akudo, I said go and get ready. We are going to the market.
Okay, Nne.
Be fast, though. No more so. Akudo! What is keeping you? Now, what is son?
Goddess of purity, I have come to ask for forgiveness, to avert the curse that was laid on me. I didn't know I offended someone, and the person came here to cry to you for help. Please, forgive me.
You are healed. Henceforth, you are now a new person. You will turn a new leaf, and may the gods continue to guide your path. You may go and do not look back. Neither will you tell anyone what transpired henceforth. You are free. Go!
Hey, sorry, are you okay?
Yes, Nne. After dropping the sacrifice, it felt like something left my body. I feel very light.
I just hope the gods our prayers and take your burden away.
I'm very tired. I need to go in and rest. I feel sleepy.
Easy. Easy. May God have mercy on me and accept our prayers. Instead of Maya no doing, Bikuni, gods of our land.
Father, do not trouble your heart. She's a beautiful soul. Why don't you go for her?
My beautiful daughter, I am just very confused. Very confused with the fact that I am always thinking about this woman. I have never had anybody consume me like this before.
Father, go for her. She's a beautiful heart with a beautiful soul. She will make a good wife.
Thank you very much, my beautiful daughter. You are actually my jewel of inestimable value. And I love you so much.
I love you too, Father.
Drumbeat, drumbeat of love. Drumbeat, drumbeat of love. Drumbeat, drumbeat of love.
Akudo. Why are you lost in thought? What are you thinking of? Huh? What are you thinking of?
It's been several market days since the ritual was carried out, and I haven't stolen anything since then. I would love to go and appreciate Oledo, but I don't know how to face Ichie Ejiofor.
You don't know how to face Ichie Ejiofor, or you are shy of the fact that you have feelings for him and you feel disappointed in yourself.
How did you know I think about him? It's just that I didn't see it as love.
I don't know what to say to that. But no matter what, you have to go and show that little girl appreciation. You have to go and tell her thank you. And always stay close to her. And Ichie Ejiofor, we all know he's a good man. We all know that. He's a good man.
Drumbeat, drumbeat of love. Drumbeat, drumbeat of love.
Ichie, some men bought this year and said they are from you. I'm surprised.
You shouldn't be surprised. I actually came because I want to discuss something important with Akudo, your daughter.
What have I done this time again?
You didn't do anything. I am actually the one who came to ask you to do something for me. But before I say what I want to say, I think it is important for me to tell you a story about myself. I started to make money at a very young age. I started to make money in a level that was marveling to so many people. And my father advised me to get married because a man who is married will be focused in life. I listened to my father and I got married to a woman who I loved with everything in me. And the marriage was progressive and we were happy. But the gods refused to bless us with the fruit of the womb. We prayed and prayed. We did a whole lot of sacrifices, asking the gods for the fruit of the womb, but they didn't listen. We stayed for 20 whole years before finally she managed to take in. And the result is all laid here, my beautiful daughter. When it was time for Oledo to come out, there were complications. And my wife battled with her life. Finally, she couldn't make it. And I was left with the responsibility of raising Oledo all alone. Since that time that she left a vacuum in my life. A very deep hole.
Your story is a very pathetic one. And I'm sure very few people around know this story. So why are you telling me all this?
You are right. Many people are not aware of the story, and few people who know the story, majority of them are even dead. I am telling you this story because somehow I am now beginning to believe you are the one who can fill that space my wife created when she left. And my daughter here approves.
Are you asking me to marry you?
The answer is yes. I want you to marry me because I've been having sleepless nights about you. I believe you are that woman who will give me that peace of mind I stopped having when my wife left. And most importantly, my daughter here will be delighted to have you as a mother.
Yes, please. My best friend, marry my father. You people are meant to be.
You see, these things I brought, they are actually the things to prepare the ground for me to say what I said. And now that I have said it, if you approve, I will come back with my people and marry you properly. That is, perform all the marriage rites. So, Akudo, I'm asking you, are you going to be my wife?
I am not going to ask you to give me time to think about this, because I have been thinking and wishing for a day like this. You have always been in my thoughts. The feeling is mutual. I will be the happiest person to be married to you and be called your wife.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for doing this. Adiore, I want to thank you. I am so delighted.
Ichie, thank you for considering me worthy to be your in-law. Thank you.
Adiore, I should be the one thanking you for allowing the union between your daughter and myself to see the light of day. Thank you. I know you're happy now, right?
Yes.
My beautiful daughter.
Drumbeat, drumbeat of love. Drumbeat, drumbeat of love. Drumbeat, drumbeat of love. Drumbeat, drumbeat of love. In the quiet of the night, I hear your heartbeat. A rhythm that whispers to me. We eat every breath we take, our souls entwined, dancing